Hey gamers, I need help. My DualSense works fine on GGST, Skullgirls, and other games too, but for Unicler it absolutely won't register. It gives me the notification in Steam that the PS5 controller config is booted up, and I tried disabling Steam input, default settings, and enabling Steam input, all after verifying the integrity of the game cache. I'm not sure what else to try, since it seems like the controller isn't the issue.
Gamers eagerly diving into the dark, captivating world of Under Night in Birth to Celes on PS4 and PS5 have encountered a frustrating obstacle, frequent crashes and performance issues plaguing their experience. This problem disrupts the seamless blend of visual novel storytelling and intense fighting gameplay, leaving fans searching for solutions to enjoy the latest installment of this beloved franchise without interruption. Now let's get on to the solution. Facing controller recognition issues with Under Night 2 Birth to Celes, a player shared a workaround. Due to the game's lack of plug-and-play support, they suggested pressing Shift plus Tab promptly, opening the Steam overlay to monetarily slow down the process. This brief delay allows the game to recognize the controller, particularly if using a non-DS4 device. Acknowledging the inconsistency of this fix, the player reverted to their DS4 for reliability. They advised perseverance, restarting the game, and repeating the process around 5 times until the controller is successfully recognized, attributing the challenge to the PS4 port's suboptimal coding. Or if you haven't purchased it yet, it's advisable to postpone purchasing the PS5 version and await the PC fix. Steam offers a greater convenience with mods, the ability to use a second monitor, and easier alt-tabbing. Additionally, finding games is likely to become more straightforward on PC once the initial player base stabilizes. So if you wanna try, you can try that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.